नमस्कार मित्रांनो, ग्रो इंग्लिश आणि मॅथ्स चॅनलवरती आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. बिफोर दिस वी हॅव लर्न some concept related to equation. What is the equation? In that one, what is the important? So today I am going to take a practice of practice set number 27 with the help of some concept as well with the rules which is given in the textbook. Before that one, if you are new here, then please subscribe my channel. My videos related to English will help you to speak English fluently. As well, my maths tricks will help you to do any sum very fast. Let's see what is there in this one. जर तुम्ही यामध्ये नवीन असाल तर तुम्हाला आवश्यक असलेली इंग्रजी बोलण्यासंबंधीच्या काही टिप्स, ग्रामर बद्दलची माहिती, त्याबरोबरीने काही मॅथ्सच्याही टिप्स तुम्हाला माझ्या चॅनलच्या थ्रू मिळत राहतील. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला हे चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करावं लागेल. तर ज्यांना इंग्लिश आणि मॅथ्स इम्प्रूव्ह करावं असं वाटतं त्यांनी हे चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करावं आणि यातून त्यांची इन्फॉर्मेशन अधिक प्रबल करत जावं. लेट्स सी व्हॉट इज गिवन इन द इक्वेशन प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 27. वी हॅव टू नो वन बाय वन what is given in this one. Let's see it in this one. Our first concept is variable. So what is the variable? So we have to know that first. A letter is sometime used in a place of number. A value for the letter has to be found that will make the equation balanced. Such a letter is called a variable. Students, इसमें मैं सिर्फ आपको एक टैगलाइन में वेरिएबल का डेफिनेशन बताना चाहूंगा. इक्वेशन में जो भी हम अल्फाबेट यूज करते हैं उसे हम मैथमेटिक्स में वेरिएबल कहते हैं. वेरिएबल इज अ अल्फाबेटिकल वर्ड और ए लेटर विच वी आर यूजिंग इन द प्लेस ऑफ नंबर. इक्वेशन में नंबर के जगह पे हम जिस भी अल्फाबेट का या लेटर का यूज करते हैं उसे हम वेरिएबल कहते हैं. Our next concept is solution. What is the solution? To find out the value of variable. Variable जो भी रहता है उसका solution निकालना या इक्वेशन की दोनों भी बाजू एक जैसे समान बनाना, उसे ही हम solution कहते हैं. The value of variable which balances and satisfies the equation is called as solution. To solve an equation is to find the value of variable in the equation or to find the solution in the equation. To find out that variable's value, that one only a solution. उसका वैल्यू ढूंढना यानी ही सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना है. इसके बाद हमारे किताब में बच्चों एक चार्ट दिया है. That one also important chart. So which operation we have to carry out in the equation which can give us or which can make our equation balanced, that one is given. So this chart is very important. You can go through this chart also and you also can solve the each and every example. Let's see in this one what is given. With the variable के साथ जो भी नंबर आता है और उस नंबर में वेरिएबल में और उस नंबर में जो भी ऑपरेशन दिया होता है, ऑपरेशन यानी कि वट एवर द ऑपरेशन इज मेंशन्ड, इट मींस मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा या डिवीजन होगा या एडिशन होगा या सब्सट्रैक्शन होगा, उसका अपोजिट आपको करना है. एडिशन दिया है तो उसका अपोजिट आपको करना है सब्सट्रैक्शन. सब्सट्रैक्शन दिया होगा तो उसका अपोजिट आपको करना है एडिशन. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिया है तो आपको करना है डिवीजन. डिवीजन दिया है तो आपको करना है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो ओनली अपोजिट एक्शन वी हैव टू कैरी आउट एंड दैट रूल्स आर गिवन हियर. सो व्हाट आर द रूल्स? एडिंग द सेम नंबर टू बोथ द साइड्स. As well, subtract the same number from the both the sides. Multiply both the sides by the same number. Dividing both the sides by same non-zero number. Students, why non-zero number? Because non-zero it is if we divide any number by 0 or if we divide the by 0, then it will become a wrong answer. That's why non-zero number it is said, and non-zero number only will come in the equation. So that's why this one we have to carry out, and at the end exchanging the two sides. Exchanging two sides, it means we have to exchange right side of the equation we have to take on the left side of the equation we have to take on right. So this way we have to change, and the same examples what we have to do according to these rules given in the practice set number 27, that one we have to do. Let's see what is given in the practice set number 27. What is the first question? First question is which one? So that one we have to see, and what is given in that one we have to focus on it. So this red box is the question. See student, rewrite the following using a letter. We have to use the letter here, okay, and we have to understand what is given in this one. Sum of a certain number and 3. Sum of a certain number, it means students focus on this one, sum. So what is the meaning of sum? Sum, it means a addition, and certain number means certain number is not given. It means here we have to consider as a certain number equal to x. So certain number, it means let the number be x, and our equation will become by using a letter as x plus 3. So this is the answer. I hope you understand this one. Next example we can see the same what is given in that one. So we have to do that example also. So what is given in that one? So let's see that example also. What is given in the example second one? So that example, the difference obtained by, let's see, difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Similar students, here also another number is not given, so x is our another number. So x minus 11. So last time how we did, same way we have to do this sum also. Next one. So meaning only you have to understand. What is the meaning of difference? So difference meaning इसमें क्या होता है? Difference का meaning होता है subtraction करो. Okay, so that only you have to keep in your mind. So that one is important. Now next example, third one. Focus on the third one example. What is given in the third one example? In third one example, let's see the product of 15. Product, students, word product. So what is the meaning of product? Product का meaning होता है, what is the meaning of product? Product का meaning है multiplication. We have to carry out in this one multiplication. So what we have to do? 15 multiply by something, it means another number. So that another number we have considered as x. So 15 multiply by x, either 15x. Answer you can write down to give the full marks to this question. Let's see the next one. What is given in the fourth one question? What is given in that fourth one question? Focus on this box. Focus on it. Let's see. 4 times a number is 24. Students, don't forget here the meaning of that words. Okay. Here you have to focus on 4 times. 4 times it means a number we have to multiply 4 times first. A number we have to multiply 4 times first. That's why 4x, and that number is a number. A number is not given, so that's why we have considered as a number as x. So 4x equals to 24. इसका मतलब ऐसे भी हो सकता है किसी नंबर का 4 बार करके 24 होता है, तो वो हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है इक्वेशन में. So 4x equals to 24 is the answer. I hope you have understood this question. Let's see the next question. What is given in that question? So we have to focus on that question also. So students, in this question, what is given? So in this question, find out which operation must be done on both sides of this equation in order to solve them. Just we have to tell the operation only, which operation we have to carry out in this one. This much only there, nothing else. Students, let's focus on our first question is which operation we have to do. So that one, students, now only I told you in first one, let's see in the box, x plus 9 equals to 11. Students, with the variable addition is given, so addition का opposite होगा subtraction. So you also can do this one at home, and similarly our next examples also like that one only. So our answer is subtraction, subtract 9 from both the sides. In this one, students, you can focus on x minus 4 with variable subtraction given, so opposite of subtraction, add 4 to both the sides. So next one, I am going here very fast. Let's see in the next one. So in this one you can see 8x equals to 24. So x came with the multiplication 8x. इसमें क्या कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. और मल्टीप्लीकेशन का अपोजिट होगा डिवाइड बोथ द साइड्स बाय 8. सो 8 से हमें डिवाइड करना है दोनों भी साइड को. सो नेक्स्ट वन एग्जांपल इज m अपॉन 6 इक्वल्स टू 3. m अपॉन 6 अपॉन इट मींस डिवीजन का अपोजिट होता है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द साइड्स बाय 6. सिंपल, very simple, no need to worry, you also can solve this one. So don't forget this very simple questions. Now you have to focus on this one, you have to focus on this. Let's see in the book this one is given. So in book this one is given, which is given in the red box. Okay, so this one is given y minus 3 equals to 11 and y value is given 3. So we have to find out this solution is solution is balanced or not. Okay, this one is satisfying or not, that one only we have to say. Okay, so solution is balancing or not, that much only we have to say. If I am putting here instead of y, if I am putting here 3, then students 3 minus 3 will become 0 and left side of the equation will become 0 and right side of equation is 11. So which is not balancing, which is not same, जो दोनों तरफ same नहीं होगा. That's why here students no is given, here no is given. So similarly we have to solve another examples which is given in the next step. So let's see second one देखो 17 equals to n plus 7 and n value is given 10. Students, n value here, n value is, so you have to focus on this n value is 10. 10 plus 7 कितना होता है? आंखें बंद करके भी सबको आंसर आ सकता है. इतना इजी हमें क्यों दिया है ऐसा लगता होगा आपको? ऐसा है, इतना इजी है. 10 plus 7 equals to 17 and right side becomes 17 and already left side is 17. That's why this equation is balancing. So S answer is there, YES is given, so S you have to put in that box. Simple and easy. Let's see the next one. So next one क्या कहता है? Next one में क्या दिया है? Let's see in this one. Students, focus on 30 equals to 5x. Once again 5x इसमें है मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑपरेशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन का ऑपरेशन है. सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x value is given 6. 5 multiply by 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, which is balancing. 30 equals to 30. So here also my answer will come as SYES. बिना देखे, बिना किसे पूछे, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ लिखो. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट मैथ्स. मैथ्स इज वेरी इजी comparatively with any subject. Let's see the next one. Be confident about your activities. M. स्टूडेंट्स यहां पे थोड़ा सा गलत हुआ है. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दिस वन. प्रिंट मिस्टेक. इसमें क्या प्रिंट मिस्टेक है बताता हूं. m अपॉन 2 है. m अपॉन 2. लेट्स सी हियर मैं दिखाता हूं. ये यहां पे m है एंड m अपॉन 2 है. m upon 2. Let's see, m upon 2 equals to 40. Students, value of m is given 7. 7 upon 2 कितना होता है? 7 upon 2 अगर आप करेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 3.5. It means 3.5. Okay, 3.5 answer you will get on the left side and right side क्या दी गई है? 14 दी गई है. तो 14 and 3.5 it is not balancing. इसका मैच होता ही नहीं है. तो मैच नहीं होता इसका मतलब क्या है? So solution not matching. यहां पे आप डायरेक्टली नो लिखो. NO. Is it easy or not? Ask to yourself. Enjoy the maths. Okay, next example and next problem we have to see. In this one, what is given? Solve the following equations. What is given in that one we have to see. First question, let's see the first question. You have to focus on the red box. Y minus 5 equals to 1. First example, y minus 5 equals to 1. Students, y minus 5, minus is given, opposite of minus plus. So adding 5 to both the sides. Y minus 5 plus 5, it means equals to 1 plus 5. So y plus 0 minus 5. Students, यहाँ पे मैं फिर से यहाँ पे बता रहा हूं. So आप यहाँ भूलिए मत, यहाँ पे -5 है और दूसरा नंबर है +5, which is opposite number. And we have learned, हमने क्या सीखा है? हमने सीखा है कि अपोजिट नंबर का वैल्यू हर बार 0 होता है. तो यहां पे उसका आंसर भी 0 आया है. यहां पे उसका आंसर 0 आया है. y plus 0 equals to 6. 1 plus 6 was 6. So y equals to 6. So this way you can solve this equation. Let's see the next one. What is given in the next one? So in this one, what is given? Let's see. In this one, 8 equals to t plus 5. Students, focus. 8 equals to t plus 5. Here variable came on the right side. Just we have to interchange the sides first. Otherwise at the end also you can do it. In this one, at the end it is done. Okay. 8 minus 5 equals to t plus 5 minus 5. So subtracting 5 from the both side, because with the variable addition is given. Opposite of addition, subtraction किया है. आप यहां पे देख सकते हो. 8 minus 5 equals to t plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 and minus 5 will become 0. So here 8 यहां पे आप देख सकते हो 8 plus 8 minus 5, so it will become as 3 only. And at the end interchanging sides. So t equals to 3. यहां पे आप देख सकते हो, यहां पे उसका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. यहां पे आपको लगेगा यहां पे आंसर आया है t equals to 3 only. So let's see the next example also. What is given in the next example? In the next example, what is given? So let's see. So 4x equals to 52. 4x multiplication का अपोजिट होगा डिवीजन कर दिया. 4x upon 4 equals to 52 upon 4, dividing both side by 4. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, only x is remain. 1x equals to x only, and 52 divided by 4, it means 52 को अगर आप 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो ये आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा 13. So x equals to 13 is the answer. Next one. So this one also given here, half answer is given here, and on the next page it is given half only. M equals to m minus 4. Students, here also exchanging or interchanging the sides are there. Okay, m, so with the variable minus is given, so adding 4 to both the sides. Okay, adding 4 to the both the sides. M minus 4 plus 4 and 19 plus 4. So 19 plus 4 equals to, it will become 23, and m plus 0. So next one answer you can get it without without the help of me also you can find out the answer. So answer is to m equals to 23. At the end here interchanging sides are given. Okay, so let's see fifth one. What is given in the fifth one? In the fifth one, p, students focus. P upon 4 equals to 9. P upon 4 upon division. Upon का मतलब है डिवीजन का अपोजिट मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ द साइड्स बाय 4. P upon 4 multiply by 4, so it will become 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, so 1p only will remain here, and 9 multiply by 4, 9 4 जा 36, so p equals to 36 is the answer. P equals to 36 is the answer. Let's see the next one. What is given in the next one? Sixth one में देखेंगे क्या दिया गया है, वो हमें देखना जरूरी है. Okay, so from the sixth, here is the game of sign only, so you have to focus on that one. X plus 10 equals to minus 5, it is there. X plus 10 equals to 5. Okay, sorry, x plus 10 equals to 5. Students, plus 10 it means opposite of 10 करना है दोनों साइड को. So यहाँ पे क्या, subtracting 10 from the both side. So x plus 10 minus 10 and 5 minus 10. Students, 5 में से 10 नहीं जाएंगे, तो 10 में से 5 निकालो और बड़े नंबर का साइन दे दो. वही यहाँ पे किया है, स्टेप नंबर सेकेंड लास्ट एंड लास्ट, सेकेंड लास्ट में भी और लास्ट में भी आपको वही दिखाई देगा. और यहाँ पे देख लो, ये x प्लस 0 वन साइड, यहाँ पे ये स्टेप देख लो. ओके, x प्लस 0 इक्वल्स टू 5 प्लस minus 10 it means second number is subtraction and first number is second number is negative and first number is positive. So यहाँ पे अपोजिट एक्शन करो और बड़े नंबर का साइन दे दो. सो यहाँ पे वही किया है और बड़े नंबर का साइन है सब्सट्रैक्शन. सो आंसर को आया x इक्वल्स टू -5. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट का भी वैसे ही है, आपको घबराने की जरूरत नहीं, यहाँ पे जल्दी से जल्दी आंसर आपको मिल जाएंगे. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वन. सेवेंथ वन ऑल्सो द सेम इज देयर. व्हाट इज गिवन इन द सेवेंथ वन? व्हाट इज गिवन इन द सेवेंथ वन? सो इन सेवेंथ वन, m minus 5 equals to -12. -12. So minus is given, -5 we came with variable. So adding 5 to both the sides, m minus 5 plus 5 equals to -12 plus 5. Students, -12 is a negative number and plus 5 is the positive number. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव निगेटिव होता है ऑपरेशन, निगेटिव इट मीन सब्सट्रैक्शन, और सब्सट्रैक्शन करके बड़े नंबर का हमें क्या करना है, साइन देना है. उसी हिसाब से यहाँ पे निकला m plus 0 equals to -7 and answer is m equals to -7 is the answer. Okay, so in this way you can find out the answer. Last one students, in this one last one question, last one देख लो क्या कहा है last one में, p plus 4 equals to -1. So plus is given, so subtracting 4 from both the sides. p plus 4 minus 4 equals to -1 and -4. Students, here you have to focus on this step is important, so don't forget the sign game. प्लस 4 एंड -4 हुआ 0 और इक्वल के आगे -1 एंड -4, एक नंबर है निगेटिव, दूसरा भी नंबर है निगेटिव, ऑपरेशन करना है आपको एडिशन. सो 1 एंड 4 का एडिशन होता है 5 और 5 करके उसके बाद में हमें क्या करना है, बड़े नंबर का साइन देना है. बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, 4 है, 4 का साइन कौन सा है, सब्सट्रैक्शन. सो मेरे आंसर का साइन कौन सा आएगा, सब्सट्रैक्शन. सो आंसर साइन विल कम एज -5. हियर इज द आंसर, you have to go through the answer. So I hope you are giving more interest towards the maths, and each and every concept of you get clear here only in this video only. Okay, let's see now word problems. Question number 5, word problem. word problem में पहला प्रॉब्लम मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, वो प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे वन बाय वन, हम एक एक प्रॉब्लम ले लेंगे. What is given in the word problem first? So that one we have to focus on. What is given? So that one we have to focus. So let's see, this is the word problem, our word problem. Harba owns some sheep. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176 ships. How many ships did Harba have at first? Students, Harba, how many ships he has, we don't know that number, that's why we have to consider here x as that number, so here is the answer, x we have considered. Okay, next step it means, then Harba sold it means from the total number which we have considered as a x, so x minus 34. so x minus 34 यहां पे आया, देख लो आप, x minus 34 आया. उसके बाद में when he sold, then he remains still 176. That's why here the full statement of our equation become x minus 34 equals to 176. So it will become a equation, and similarly in a previous question also we did the same. X minus 34, variable is with 34, so that's why minus 34 will become plus 34 to the both side. So that's why next step will become this way. So x minus 34 plus 34 equals to 176 plus 34. So x plus 0 and addition of 176 and 34 का addition होता है 210. So x value came here 210. So Harba has with him, before selling, Hariba has with him 210 ships total. So this way you have to solve this equation. Let's see next question. What is given in the next one? So what is given? That one also very easy. So we should not worry about it. हमें घबराने की जरूरत बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, मैं हूं आपके साथ. So let's see in this one what is given. Sakshi prepared some jam at home and filled in the bottles. After giving away 7 of bottles to her friend, she still has 12 for herself. How many bottles had she made in all? And the second one question in this one only. If she filled 250 gram of jam in each bottle, how was the total weight of what was the total weight of jam she made? Students, same way, we don't know how much she prepared. That's why in first attempt only you have to consider that bottles as a x here. Okay, then she has sold away. After giving away it means subtraction. X minus 7, next step, x minus 7 came here, and then still she has, देने के बाद भी उसके पास कितने हैं? 12 बॉटल्स है. अभी देख लो यहां पे हमें इक्वेशन मिला x माइनस 7 इक्वल्स टू 12. नाउ इक्वेशन मिला तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं. x के वेरिएबल है 7, उसके साथ आया है जो कि सब्सट्रैक्शन में दिया है, उसका सब्सट्रैक्शन का अपोजिट करो, क्या आएगा? एडिशन. सो x माइनस 7 प्लस 7 इक्वल्स टू 12 प्लस 7. सो आंसर क्या मिला? x प्लस 0 इक्वल्स टू 19. सो अल्टीमेट आंसर ऑफ अस इज x इक्वल्स टू 19. यानी कि साक्षी ने कितने बॉटल्स बनाए? 19 बॉटल बनाए एक बॉटल में. अभी अपना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चालू हो रहा है. क्या है क्वेश्चन? अगर एक बॉटल में 250 ग्राम जाम बैठता है तो 19 बॉटल में कितना होगा पूछा है. इजी है, यहां पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है. एक बॉटल में 250 तो 19 बॉटल का कैसे है? 250 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 19 या 19 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 250. So this way you can do it. So this way now 19 multiply by here 19 multiply by 250 grams. So it will become 4750 gram. Now next step here is the next step. What is given in this one in the circle? 4750 upon 1000. Why? 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So answer was in grams, we have to find out in the kg. So I have dividing this number by grams, so automatically my answer will get to me at the end. So my answer is to here, my answer is now here is the my answer 4.750 kg jam she has prepared all over. So this way you can find out the answer. Let's see last one question. We have to focus on last one. Now what is the question? And let's see, focus on the question also. Archana brought some kilograms of wheat. She requires 12 kg per month and she got enough wheat milled for 3 months. After that she had 14 kg left. How much wheat had Archana bought all together? Bought अभी देख लो यहां पे क्या बोला है, अर्चना के पास कुछ व्हीट है, ओके, अर्चना के पास कुछ गेहूं है, कुछ यानी कि हमें पता नहीं है एग्जैक्टली कितने, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव कंसिडर कितने एज एक्स केजी वी हैव कंसिडर्ड। सपोज शी हैज एक्स केजी ऑफ व्हीट, उसके बाद उसने कहा है कि मैंने गिरनी में जाके उसका पिट बनाया, उसका वो बनाया, उसको ग्राइंडिंग करके उसको मैंने पीसा और 3 महीने का एक साथ पीसा है। वो 3 महीने का कैसे कहा है, 12 केजी पर मंथ उसको लगता है, मगर उसने 3 मंथ का किया है, इनफ किया है, ज्यादा ही किया है, यानी कि 12 और 3 महीने का कितना हुआ, 12 का पाड़ा 3 तक बोलो, ओके, 12 1 जा 12, 12 2 जा 24, 12 3 जा 36, so 36 kg she has milled already, okay, so in this one 36 kg she has milled, but she enough है, हर महीने को उसको 12 लगता है, ऑलरेडी उसने उतना किया है, फिर भी जो ग्रेन्स था जो उसने ग्राइंडिंग किया है उसमें से कितना बचा है, फिर भी उसके पास 14 किलो और बचा है। So that one we have to consider and we will get the equation here. How we can get the equation? Let's focus on the equation. She used in 3 months. It means 3 multiplied by 12 equals to 36c. So x minus 36 equals to 14 equation we will get. And now if it is given, it is got the equation, then it will become easy for us. So x minus 36 plus 36 equals to 14 plus 36. It will become as a x plus 0 equals to 15 and x equals to 15. So total wheat she bought as 50 kg. So this way we have found each and every answer. Students, आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगा, इसके साथ आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिली या नहीं, उसके साथ आपको मैथ्स में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा या नहीं, ये मुझे आपको बताना है, मगर आपके कमेंट्स के थ्रू मुझे पता चल सकता है। सो आई होप यू विल गिव मी सम कमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू इट एज वेल। आई एम वंस अगेन टेलिंग यू, डोंट बी अफ्रेड अबाउट मैथ्स, जस्ट यू बी कॉन्फिडेंट and step by step daily you do some practice of maths. Definitely everyone can get 100% result in the maths. So you have to be confident and don't be afraid about maths. आप यहाँ पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो और हर एक चैप्टर घर बैठकर भी और आपके स्कूल में भी आप सीख सकते हो। आपको सिर्फ ये वीडियो सपोर्ट के लिए मदद कर सकती है और उससे आपको आपका मैथ्स भी और उसके